all began when our science master gave Arthur permission to use the chem lab during lunchtime for his own experiments. I thought it was rather strange that he should be allowed to use it, but I suppose our teacher thought that it might keep him out of mischief if he were left alone to find out a few things for himself. After all, Arthur was no fool. He knew which combinations of chemicals would explode and all that sort of thing, but no one had any idea of the startling discovery he was about to make. Claimed that this fantastic new liquid of his would, if he swallowed it, speed up his body and mind 10 times faster than normal. Soon our minds were full of fantastic ideas about how this new liquid could be put to use. I realised that Arthur's mischievous nature and his new secret formula could prove to be a dangerous combination. Soon Arthur's fame spread, and everybody was talking about his new liquid. The formula itself, however, remained a secret, and no one but Arthur knew how to make it. later, Arthur developed a much more concentrated version of his secret formula. This new improved liquid, he claimed, would make him move thousands of times faster than normal. In fact, he would go so fast that he would virtually disappear when he moved. More recently, Arthur has given up using his secret liquid. Why? No one really knows. Some of his friends think that he wanted to avoid the glare of publicity that his secret formula was starting to bring him. But I think it was for a different reason. I think he realized that the formula was speeding up his own aging process. For every time he used the liquid, he was getting older thousands of times faster than anybody else. If he had continued to use the liquid, he would have reached old age while the rest of us were still in our youth. Eventually, Arthur and I realized that his secret formula was a drug. Like other drugs, it could intensify someone's experience of life, but it also had harmful effects. So now Arthur is a little older and a little wiser, and his latest experiment, I hope, will be somewhat less harmful. His newest invention, as you will soon see, is designed to turn dreary old black and white films like this one into a beautiful colour film.